shirt. My shirt. Look at my shirt. My bestie gave it to me. One of my besties. Teresa gave it to me. Yeah, this has to be Notre Dame because it's right here. It says Rue Notre Dame, so Notre Dame Street. So I think this right here is Notre Dame. That is Notre Dame Basilica. But anyway, I'm taking a tour today. That's my group in the background. And I'm gonna have a what, hour and a half, I think? 1.5 hour tour, walking tour. I love those. They're just my favorite. You get the people to tell you where to go, what to do. And it's just a great time. This is the cutest. This is like Europe. This is like Europe. Chateau Ramsay. So this is I just learned it's a French style building. I don't know, traditional French style or something. Girl, I forget. That's nice. That's all that matters. No, I'm joking. More matters. She explained a lot about this building. It's been here around since the 1700s. It's gorgeous. An hour since my tour ended, something like that. I went to the market, bought some stuff, about plenty of stuff. Now I'm looking for a place to eat, and I just found out I'm going ziplining. I booked a zipline tour, and the zipline place is like pretty much right here, right behind where I am, so that's perfect. So now I just need to find a patio to eat, rest my feet for a bit because I'm tired, and then yeah, I found the cutest patio. It's a steakhouse and it has a front and back patio. I don't know how I found it. It's divine intervention, but anyway, my food is here. Woo! Let me grace you with a good look of this food because I'm like so happy right now. Look at the, okay, let me stand up so you can properly see it because it's just ridiculous. Auntie, look at this grilled salmon with wild rice. Yes, baby, yes. And I got a mojito and a salad waiting for me. I'm gonna eat. Good to see you. I don't even know what to say. I'm gonna go eat. Bye.